Hello everyone, I'm Esra and this is American Accent بالعربي. In this video, I will talk about the pronunciation of two different vowel sounds, which we usually pronounce the same way. But before I start, I'd like to talk about vowel sounds generally. كلنا عارفين إنه في الأبجدية في الإنجليش في 5 حروف متحركة هما A, E, I, O and U. بس في حوالي 15 طريقة رئيسية للنطق اللي بيتسموا ال vowel sounds. احنا هنتكلم بالتفصيل عن 2 بس منهم. أول واحد هو O as in no and A as in saw. Okay. هنبدأ نتكلم عن A as in saw. The mouth shape. Lips are apart, very slightly rounded, tongue slightly tense, down near the floor mouth, the jaw drops. Jaw لو الفك. Common spelling patterns. AW as in awesome, AU as in author, AL as in small, ought as in bought, ought with an A as in daughter, and the O as in gone. Word pairs for practice. Pause in the hall, pause in the hall. Talk until dawn, talk until dawn. Practice sentences. The audience applauded even though the talk was awful. So, the audience, the, because when the is followed by a word that starts with a vowel, it's pronounced like the. So, the audience applauded even though the talk was awful. Your daughter is taller than when I saw her last year. So, your daughter is taller than when I saw her last year. The second vowel sound is O, as in no. Mouth shape. Lips very rounded and tense. Tongue, the tip of it pulls slightly back. Common spelling patterns. O as in don't. OA as in road. OW as in slow. O as in though. Word pairs for practice. Almost over, almost over. Don't smoke, don't smoke. Practice sentences. We both hope it's going to snow. We both hope it's going to snow. The window of the hotel was blown out and broken. So the window of the hotel was blown out and broken. You probably have heard each 2 words of this group of words being pronounced in the same way. Like, for example, you probably have heard someone say, I bought a boat, while you should actually say, I bought a boat. So bought with an A vowel sound and boat with an O vowel sound. The second word is law and low. So, I go to law school and your voice is very low. So, law and low. The third one is odd and ode. Odd, ode. This is odd and I owed you once. The fourth one is caught and coat. He got caught, caught, and he's got a coat. The last one is walk and woke. So let's go for a walk with an A vowel sound, and you woke him up, woke, with an O vowel sound. Then we have tongue twisters. Tongue twisters are short phrases that repeat problem sounds or the same group of sounds to make it difficult to pronounce when you say it very quickly. What is the purpose of tongue twisters? Actually, it's very important to improve your pronunciation and your ability to speak more fluently and clearly. So, I'm going to read it once and then I'm going to read it slowly so you can repeat after me. At first, it's going to be a little bit difficult, but then it's going to be easy and you are going to be able to say the whole thing, okay? So, Betty bought some butter, but the butter she bought was bitter. So she bought some better butter to make the bitter batter better. Okay, now I'm going to read it slowly. Betty bought some butter, but the butter she bought was bitter. So she bought some better butter to make the bitter batter bitter. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you liked it and I hope you think it was useful. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and like my Facebook page. Until the next time, see you guys later. Bye bye.